Outrunners.
I'm Liz.
I'm Nicole.
And we are doing a 38-second plank right now, so bear with us. Nicole, I wanted to ask you a question. What are you grateful for today?
Today, I'm grateful to live the life that I'm living with Outrun, with an awesome family, and with this girl right here. What are you thankful for?
I'm just really grateful that we have this platform, a platform now to just talk about friendship and community and a cure for CF and healthy living. It's just a whole movement, and I'm just so incredibly grateful to be a part of it.
And, speaking of being grateful and of plank challenges, we are rocking the May challenge. We have less than 8,000 miles left to hit our 38,000 mile goal for the month of May. And we're going to do it. We have 10 days, and we so have this, you guys.
And remember, when you are logging your miles, use the submission form. That's how we are adding all the miles at the end of the day. So it's at the top of the Facebook page or on the website. Are we done with our 38 seconds?
We're almost at a minute 38.
Damn. Come on. Okay.
So one final note before we go. We finished filming with the Today Show today.
Yes, today.
Awesome.
We just ran on the Madison Strip with the Today Show. So big shout out and
now
thanks.
We're at the Surf Club. Sign on plank, by the way.
And huge thanks
shout out to the crew.
They are just amazing and have totally had our back and really supportive. They
and
are just
they're
fun,
going to be runners.
Fun.
They are going to be runners.
0.1 or more. They will run.
Thank you, Outrunners, for all that you do for us every day. You inspire us to work hard, to keep going, to hold this plank for 2 minutes and 6 seconds now.
Okay,
I think we got to go
done.
30 seconds more.
Jesus Christ.
Do you think so? Challenge.
Challenge accepted.
Okay.
Challenge accepted. That's my new key phrase.
Challenge accepted. And you guys have been rising to these challenges after challenges. We're going to have to start getting really creative.
Yes.
With what
Some
comes
people
next.
are. Some people are really getting creative. I love it.
All right, girl. 4, 3,
3,
2, 1. High five. High five.